Oh, goodness.
We want you to think 5 when it comes to canned goods. Why?
Because Gail likes the number 5, and she also thinks that if you bring 5 non-perishable food items, you will get a great deal at the LA County Fair. Where is our can of corn? Where are you, Crisp and, what is she, Crisp and Crunchy?
Is she cream corn?
No, she's not cream
Little
corn.
baby nibblers?
Oh, wait. Look at y'all. Hold on a second. I wanted to show you the cute kiddos here already at the fair. LA County Fair is open and things are happening here. And do you know these folks you're looking at could get in here for free tomorrow if they bring you 5 Ralph's canned goods? No, I am golden corn, not cream corn. Michelle DeMott. 5 canned goods during what hours? Because I know the fair's open like all day and all night.
We open at 12 tomorrow, and from 12 to 6, if you bring in 5 cans of Ralph's private label goods, you get into the fair for free. So 12 to 6 o'clock, free admission with 5 canned goods.
And I have to tell you, these are the KTLA donations. Some of those canned goods were only 79 cents, so that's kind of cheap.
It's a great deal. And then on top of it, tomorrow night in concert, we've got Donna Summer, and she's performing at 7:30. So get here before 6, free admission.
Oh, I'm sorry.
Have a little dinner, go see Donna Summer, and there's a limited amount of free seats for the concert with your fair admission.
And all that's included once you get in there. You have to give you any more canned goods? No.
No more canned goods for Donna Summer.
All right, now let us show you how this little campaign is going to help some people in need. The Los Angeles Regional Food Bank. Take a look at this. They need your donations because we all know the economy is a mess and people are in need. Michael Flood is here from the Regional Food Bank. We want to show people the variety of things that are available to them at the Ralph's. We're in Ralph's Jr. here, the junior store here at the fair. It's not just vegetables or corn.
No, it's fruit, it's soup, all different types of vegetables. We have spinach and carrots and peas and all sorts of items here. So just bring 5 of these items tomorrow, Friday, to the fair, and you get in.
And part of the reason you want non-perishable items have to be twisted for a moment, okay, Michael? Because as you can see by my label, I'm easy to prepare. You can put me in a microwave or throw me on the stovetop. And that's why you want it, because it's easy to handle.
Well, that's right. And as you know, we're handling a lot of produce, fresh produce these days, and we need a mix so that the people seeking food assistance get non-perishable items, get fresh items, and really
get a complete
rounded
meal.
Exactly.
All right, let us give you some information now. Again, this is Friday. Ralph's Food Drive Friday here at the fair. Tomorrow, bring 5 canned goods. You can get in free. Michelle, during our 1 o'clock special, you're going to tell us about some other deals that are going on as well.
We've got a great promotion this weekend. We've got half-price parking, admission, and carnival rides and games from 10 a.m. to 1 p.m. Saturday and Sunday.
Oh, my goodness. And you see the children are here at Ralph's Jr.'s getting their canned goods in order for the food bank. Look how cute. All right, again, Free Friday, Ralph's Free Friday. 5, oh, yes, it's sugar. Put that canned good in there. 5 Ralph's canned goods will get you in for free entertainment. Lots going on. 1 o'clock special, some other bargains here at the fair. Back to you in the studio. Don't run over Uncle Dave.
Don't run.
What you do, Dave? What you do?
Gail, have you sat down all day?
No, that can of corn hasn't had a seat.
You can't, to stay crisp and sweet, you have to stand, honey.
Yeah.
You can't sit down. No,
Thanks,
sit down.
Gail, I need to put that picture on my
You're
Facebook
welcome.
page because that is a good look. It is hot.
Yeah, it is hot.
It is hot. And the wig. Up next, this is going to be great. America's next.